So here's a piece that I believe it was Eric Jordan. I was trying to think, was it Toe Wrecker or was it One Lonely Farmer? But I think it was Eric Jordan, who used to be Pirate Life on YouTube. And I think he suggested getting this clamp on thing, and these are a bunch of GoPro attachments. I could put that camera that I showed you a while ago right onto this one, and then I could clamp this onto something. So my thinking is, if y'all were over here, like when I make these cuts, you can see me better than if you're behind me and you're looking at my back. If I had something that I could set here, that I could clamp that onto, then we could sit y'all there. Maybe. Maybe. This. Maybe I should just put. No, that won't go. That won't go. I'm trying to figure out how to get this onto that. You know what I could do is just take the tripod. I could do that. I guess that's what you call behind the scenes. You know, on Disney, used to be, you could watch. See, now that's going to be, see, that's still not going to be a screw in, is it? No. I'm still going to need a thing. Dang, I'm going to have to go dig in my, see, now I'm going to have to go dig in my pile. Well, I can take you with me. I'll give y'all some show and tell. Since this has turned into a behind the scenes look at what I do to make videos, we go into the she shed here. And I think I've got a box of camera things here. Yeah. All kind of camera stuff here. Sit y'all over here. I think I could wedge you in between the refrigerator or something. Maybe over here. Will that work? Will y'all stay there without falling over? I doubt it. Anyway, let's just look down in the bag. So this is a GoPro camera stuff. What I'm looking for is something it's gotta ain't it? Not it. Dang. Maybe I'm gonna have to go in the house. Look in my other bag of GoPro tricks. See, I need the other piece. It goes on the bottom of the camera. Oh wait, this could be it right here. See, yeah, if I take that off of that, this will go on the bottom. Okay, let's do that. So I'm gonna take this off. Be nice if I had a place. See, this is where it'd be nice. This thing had a tripod leg on the bottom of it. Oh, good. Why does it have to be so hard? Why do you have to be so rude? Just like this. You can't see me, but that's just the way it is. Just deal with it. Okay, so no, that ain't gonna do it either. Cause see, that still don't get me. I don't need that piece. I need the opposite of that piece. Dang. Oh wait, that'll do it. See, if I put this on that, okay. Or she said, straight balls of fire. Move this off Honey Baby's table. Put it back over here. Okay. 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 So I'm going to put this. So I'm going to put this on the bottom of that camera, and then I can put this into that tripod. So it'd be like putting a pistol grip on this. Let me fire up this other camera here. Now I can bring you all over here and put you onto. Actually, I can put you right on the tripod. See, so we'll take this big thing off. We can take this little thing off. This little thing right here. Take that off. We'll put y'all onto here. I'm going to spin you around now, so if you're prone to get dizzy, just close your eyes while I put you into place there. Now we got you onto the tripod. Let's jack you up. I guess I'm going to reverse this thing too. It's been half a day getting this thing set up. But now you can see what we're aiming at. I'm going to be over there, cutting metal. So I put this chair back away. And this other camera piece.